Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing some of the 3D tools and how to use it. So I'm clicking start, mechanical design, part design. Just enter the name as you like. I'm going to enter as 1. This is the 3D workbench of CATIA V5. As you can see, there are many tools like pad, pocket, shaft, groove, hole, rib, slot, solid combine, multi-section solid. These are the main tools which we will be using in the 3D workbench. You can see in the home screen, some of the tools are in active state and many of the tools are in inactive state. This is because the tools which are in inactive state needs a 3D object to operate. Like I said earlier, the sketch based tools are the main tools in 3D workbench which are widely used for creating a 3D object. Next we have the dress up features which are used to shape the 3D object which we create using sketch based features. So let us start with by drawing a simple sketch. I'm going to click the sketch and select a plane. Let me draw a rectangle. I'm going to constrain it, say as 100. And 50. I'm exiting this 2D workbench. So first we have the pad. Pad is used to add material to the 2D sketch. So I have a rectangle here in this plane. I'm going to add some material to this rectangle using the pad option. Below the pad we have 3 types of pad. One is the normal pad, drafted filleted pad and multi-pad. Let us start with normal pad. Select normal pad and we have the pad definition box. This length, this is the thickness you are going to add to the sketch. Its default is 20. I'm going to make it as 100. So that rectangle has been made into a cuboid. Now let us see the drafted filleted pad. For a drafted filleted pad, you need a 3D or an object to work with it. So I'm going to select this face to draw my sketch. I'm going to click sketch. I'm going to draw another rectangle over it. Constrain it, say 50, 30. Now you can see a sketch over this 3D object. I'm going to click drafted filleted pad. The drafted filleted pad definition box opens. First we have the length, same as I said earlier. This is the thickness or the material which we are going to add to the sketch. Next is the limit. For this limit, I'm selecting this surface. So the limit is pad 1, face 1. The angle is nothing but how much the pad is going to be inclined. So its default 5. I'm going to make this 10. The radius 10, 15, 12. I'm going to give preview. You can see from all directions the material has been added but in an inclined state. I have increased the angle to 30°. Now let us have a preview. You can see, as you can see here, the material has been added again but the angle has changed. Let me make it as 5. This is the drafted filleted pad option. Next we have the multipad. For multipad there is no need for a 3D object to operate. So I am going to just draw this plane. Just for demo purpose I am not going to constrain this. So if you work on a real-time project or some designing, constrain it. In this rectangle I am going to draw different shapes. Before converting any sketch into a 3D, just go to this tools and click on sketch analysis. You can see all the shapes you have drawn here and the state is in closed. I'm going to change this alone, or let me draw a new thing. So here we have this line which is isolated. With this isolated or an open status, you cannot make an 3D object. I'm going to delete this one. I'm exiting this workbench. Selecting a multipad. This blue color line indicates the selected one. So first one is this image and the second one is this. Third one is the whole thing. Fourth one is this ellipse. And fifth one is this circle. I'm going to give the pad radius or the thickness. So it's 0. I'm going to make it as 5. This one is 7. It's 10. Yeah, this is the multipad. Here all the individual objects have been padded with different thickness. So this is the multipad option. In next video, we will be seeing about the pocket option. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.